Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm back in Las Vegas on the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to check out Circus Circus Hotel and Casino today. Right now I'm in front of Slots So Fun. We're going to take a walk through there and then head over to the main casino and hotel area. So stay tuned, lots coming here from Las Vegas today at the Circus Circus Hotel and Casino. Slots of Fun features grown-up games and grown-up fun. This unique casino area is located right next door to the main casino, just a few short steps from the main casino, and experience a one-of-a-kind grown-up destination with entertainment like an arcade, for adults of course, with new slot machines. These doors will take us to a little covered path that takes us to the main building, so let's head on over there and see what's going on at the Circus Circus, shall we? This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice in my latest Atlantic City video, The Boardwalk Stroll, and was just yesterday's video as a matter of fact. Congratulations, Deborah. Looks like you're back in the game. Now, I'm the first to admit the Circus Circus has been the butt of the Las Vegas Strip jokes for a long time. It's probably the cheapest property on the Las Vegas Strip. And it's pretty much been in the middle of nowhere, way north on the Strip here, but there has been a lot of activity and a lot of growth going on here in the northern end of the Strip. And now Circus Circus finds its place surrounded by luxury hotels. We have the Fontainebleau opening up across the street. We have, Resorts World just a little bit south of here. The Strat has completely redone their place. And the Circus Circus physically, the physical building is poised for a wonderful resort. They just need to sink a little money into it, a couple of improvements. But some good restaurants, some good shops. It has one of the best steakhouses in Las Vegas, as a matter of fact. It's got the Adventure Dome way out back, a huge amusement area, and it's also got the Midway upstairs in the mezzanine level with live circus acts and a whole variety of circus goings-on upstairs. Those videos, by the way, are available here on the New York channel. They're not going to be visited today. Maybe I'll walk past them, but in-detailed videos are available here on the New York channel. What I'm getting at is the Circus Circus is poised for a huge comeback. We'll see what happens in the future. Hold on tight! As we head up these escalators, we're heading towards the Adventure Dome, the subject of several videos here on the New York channel. There's also some small shops up here, as well as places to eat, and the inside of the Adventure Dome, by the way, has some places to eat and drink as well, including drinks for adults. If you watch my Adventure Dome videos, you'll see that there's always lots going on here, lots of crowds. The place is huge. You could spend an hour or two in there, perhaps even more, half a day. And even if it's hot out, the place is enclosed in glass, but the climate control works perfectly. You always feel like you're outside, but you're actually under glass. This is the Blue Iguana, which offers quick, fresh, authentic Mexican cuisine, from tacos and burritos to enchiladas and nachos. There's something for everyone here at the Blue Iguana. And a couple more stores. This place is actually like a small mall up here. Quick bites aren't a problem here at Circus Circus either. Lots of places to grab a quick bite, including Starbucks, Krispy Kreme, Chocolini, Aunt Annie's Pretzels. There's a Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, a Pickup Sticks Fresh Asian Flavors. There's a Einstein Brothers Bagels. I used to love I still love Einstein Brothers Bagels. They were originally from Chicago, became very popular once they hit New York City, and now they're pretty much everywhere. There's also a Dairy Queen here. They just opened up a food court here at the Circus Circus, so lots of places to pick up a quick bite. Hey, don't forget to check out the New York store. There's lots of swag. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Lots of t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, mugs, cups, stickers, caps, duffel bags, you name it, you'll probably find it there. Something that you'll like, and it'll make you look really cool. It will. Really. I promise. As I mentioned earlier, there's an area above the casino, the main casino, called Midway, and it's filled with arcade stuff and circus acts and food places, and it's a great place to visit for young and old alike. But downstairs they also have an arcade that a lot of people don't know about. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
Thanks for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Alright, say it again together.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching. One more time, sorry.
And a little louder.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.